Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So excited. I want to talk about the review of Sqribble.net and what it has done for me. This is an awesome ebook creator. It's the top #1 seller out there that are selling. Owning this software right now is the best deal ever. 96% off the software. Now the software itself costs $197. All right, who wants to pay that right after the pre-launch? Get in right now. Sqribble is hot. You want to create ebooks. You want to create fantastic dynamic graphics. Make those wonderful ebooks that are already built in. Okay, with the huge amount of different designs and templates and different Google fonts. There's over like 300 fonts that you can use. I mean, you can do anything. If you're a creator, you're a writer, you're an author of any type of book, and even if you sell on Amazon or Kindle, this is a great product for you to actually invest in and get it now. Okay, everyone. Now, I'm an online marketer. I'm an entrepreneur. I work my business online, and I definitely need this in order to work my online business, to create an email list. Did you notice Sqribble has it actually has an autoresponder built in to build an email list for you, and it has the ability for you to create landing pages, give away your very own ebook, to build a newsletter, email list, whatever you want to do. Just post it on your website, your blog, wherever, your social media. You can actually build your email list by just giving away ebooks that you have created. And I sell these ebooks everywhere. I sell them on my Etsy shop. I sell them on my websites. I have my own ebook store that I've created under Sqribble. Okay, if you're interested in watching more about getting more information, there's a link below this video. And get started. Create your own ebook store. Create your own ebooks. Give out quality ebooks. Build your autoresponder, your list right now. And I hope you invest and be wise right now to get this and take action. All right. Continue to watch my video.
In this short video, you're going to discover new revolutionary software technology that will help you build your list faster than ever, get more sales, and make more profits online within minutes. But first, there's a massive problem online I have to tell you about. Ebooks are essential for everyone doing business online or is planning to. Whether you want to create a report to build your list, educational guides, company white papers, be an author, or to create digital info products to sell, they're the easiest way for customers to be introduced to your business, consume your content, and build a relationship with them. However, they are hard, time-consuming, and a pain to create. Research, planning, writing content, editing, formatting, and all that designing. Typically, you'll, Route 1, do it yourself. It can take days, weeks, or even months to design, write, and create a decent ebook or free report that people will want to download, buy, or actually read. Plus, our survey told us that no one likes or has the time to start from scratch in today's busy world. Or, route number 2, outsource it. If you were to outsource it through sites like Upwork or Freelancer, it would cost you anywhere from $300 to $1,000 for someone to create just one ebook that didn't look like it was made in 1998 and was written in proper English by a native English speaker. Or, route number 3, stock templates. A search online will find you ebook templates that would cost you between $45 and $200 a piece. If you're looking to create a few ebooks a year, that cost will add up fast. Plus, you'll still need to learn and be able to use complicated software to edit them. The good news is, there is now a better way. That's why we spent 12 months in our lab like mad scientists, invested a lot of money to finally crack the code. Introducing Sqribble. Sqribble is the world's first point-and-click ebook creator that allows you to create beautiful professional ebooks and reports in minutes, not hours, days, or weeks. You'll never have to pull your hair out again. Just choose a template, fill it with content, and you're done. Just imagine, in minutes, being able to create highly engaging, professional ebooks to sell, or free reports to build your list, without hours of writing, coding, or designing, without spending thousands of dollars on freelancers, and without juggling tons of complicated software programs. Stunning ebooks like these that make jaws drop. There's nothing to install, and you don't need any technical skills. The process is so simple that even a child could do it. In fact, you can create your next ebook today in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose from 50 eye-grabbing ebook templates across all kinds of niches. From business, marketing, food, home, health, finance, sports, spirituality, arts and education, we cover it all. Search by keyword or select a category from the drop-down menu to find the perfect template for your next project. Step 2. Fill it with automatic content. Just enter a URL and watch Sqribble fill your pages with fresh, ready-made instant content at a push of a button. Or choose to fill your ebook with a selection of 1,000 ready-made niche articles from the internal content engine. Or grab content from one of your own Word files instead. No more hours of writing content from scratch, unless you want to. Step 3. Customize it with your own color theme. Then add, delete or edit pages, headlines, images, paragraphs, text blocks, dividers, buttons and links, features, bullet lists, or call to action areas. And that's it. Just hit generate and you're done. In less than the time it takes you to boil a kettle, you would have created an impressive, highly professional, trust-building ebook that's ready to sell online, or give away to build your list faster than ever before. Ready to publish online? That's easy too. Just tap the publish button at the top of your dashboard